what we Indians always get duped into it कि ये free है. Why would any brand will give you something for free? Why don't we question ourselves कि ये मुझे free में देके तो देगा तो उसको क्या मिलेगा?
Meet Madhav Seth, CEO of AI Plus Smartphone and founder of Next Quantum Shift Technologies, a leader who believes technology should adapt to people, not the other way around. Today, we explore simplifying technology, women and digital agency, online safety, and how to build a healthier, more mindful relationship with innovation, one that empowers rather than intimidates. Whenever there is a tech tool or app or web app launched, it is automatically targeted towards men. Why is that?
Every home has an influencer. वो influencer आपका son हो सकता है, आपका husband हो सकता है, आपके father हो सकता है, but any male person around you, जिसको आप एक reference के लिए पूछोगे कि मुझे कौन सा phone लेना चाहिए, मुझे कौन सा product लेना चाहिए.
Yeah.
That is the reason we target as a brand. हम लोग male को target करते हैं rather than targeting a female, stating that probably जो influence करता है उसी के decision को influence करो.
Do you think this needs to change at a certain level?
It has to, because अगर आज के दिन में सिर्फ फोन छोटा कर दिया और पिंग बना दिया, that is not a woman centric
Exactly.
phone. Women wants a powerful phone
Yeah.
जो उनको support कर सके उनके day to day calls में, because women are multitaskers. So they need a better point of view कि उनको technology कैसे help कर सकती है to do the multitasking.
How can a mother be proactive and understand and make the child understand कि इतना करना है, इसके आगे नहीं करना है?
The kids' first room is not their bedroom, it's the search history where the room entire all the data are being stored, which is extremely important for the browsing history for every mother to check कि kids के mind में चल क्या रहा है, and that will help you to guide on what type of guidance you have to give to your kids.
So tell me, as the founder of AI Plus smartphones, ऐसा कुछ अलग से आपने कोई ऐप उसमें इनबिल्ट किया है या some kind of service?
Yes, आपका डेटा कैसे वो मार्केटिंग एजेंसीज लेके मिसयूज करती है, you should be aware of it. If for the last whole month you have not used an app but still they have an access to microphones and through your camera, which means that they have access to everything. Whatever we are talking, they are listening. Why does a food delivery app needs a microphone access?
स्मार्टफोन में जब हम लोग कुछ फैक्ट्री रीसेट मार देते हैं, बेच देते हैं, तब भी क्या कुछ डेटा रह जाता है जो रिकवर हो सकता है?
Easily. Until unless data is not encrypted, everything can be reset.
So factory reset can also be recovered.
Yeah, 100%.
So then how do we safeguard ourselves when we are selling a phone?
Ideally, technology, there is a backup for everything. It was created for your convenience. How the use can be misused over a period of time, that is always an ethical question which has always been in the tech world. Who will cross the line of ethics?
I've run out of sarees now. And make space for yourself.
Is it a festivity or you're dressed up like this?
I'm dressed up for you.
I would have worn something which compliments you.
Oh, thank you so much. Welcome, Madhav.
Thank
I
you very much.
was really looking forward to having you on Candid Confessions with Chavi.
Likewise.
तो सबसे पहले तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि ये जो टेकीज होते हैं ना आपके जैसे, I find them a little intimidating because I feel it's very difficult to have a conversation with them. I'll tell you why. Because टेक्नोलॉजी की जब हम बात सोचते हैं तो मेरे दिमाग में, एंड आई थिंक अ लॉट ऑफ वुमेन वुड एग्री विद मी, जो इमेज आती है वो होती है बहुत सारा कन्फ्यूजन और मे बी वीडियो गेम्स एंड ऑल द गेमिंग इंडस्ट्री, या तो कुछ वो मैट्रिक्स और कियानू रीव्स और ये सब. So to begin with, can you simplify the word tech for everyone?
I think it's a very interesting question and I'd like to answer it more briefly about that. But मैं आपको अगर simplify करूँ tech को, tech वही चीज़ है जो आपका time save करता है. Anything which saves your time is a tech. It is all about how it saves you or increases your productivity. आपकी productivity को कैसे help करता है, that is what is all tech about. पर अगर आप tech को consume करते करते आप ही product बन गए, that is where the biggest problem lies.
Define that.
Which means that probably, say for example, excessive use of tech
हाँ.
is means that probably आप अपने आप को product बना रहे हो technology के पास, and then technology will use you rather than you using the technology. I always say, make technology your slave and you be the master. But technology will make you a slave and they will become the master. That should not be the reverse case, right? So,
बट इसको आप अवॉइड कैसे करेंगे अगर आप किसी टेक टूल को यूज कर रहे हैं टू मेक योर लाइफ सिंपलर और टू सेव टाइम, तो in the long run, though, isn't it addictive and depending? It increases your dependency as
you
well.
have to have your लाइक से फॉर एग्जांपल मैं किड्स के एंगल से बात करता हूँ।
हाँ।
आप किड्स को गार्डन में भेजते हो, आप उनके लिए पेरीमीटर सेट करते हो कि आप इनसे बात करना, इनसे मत करना, अनजाने लोगों से बात करना, इनसे मत करना। वाई कांट मदर्स हैव ऑल्सो अ पेरीमीटर फॉर डिजिटल वर्ल्ड
Hmm.
for the kids and for themselves, that this is what maximum I want to do,
Okay.
and this is the maximum use of technology which I want to do. आज के दिन में देखा है तो 80% of the technology products वुमेन ही यूज़ करती है।
Really?
इन टर्म्स ऑफ दिस इज आप घर पे जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, लाइक फ्रिज हो गया, टीवी हो गया,
TV,
आपके
washing
वॉशिंग
machine.
मशीन हो गया, ऑल ऑफ दिस आर सिलेक्टेड बाय वुमेन। बट व्हाई नॉट स्मार्टफोन्स,
Hmm.
व्हाई नॉट एनी अदर प्रोडक्ट? सिर्फ इसके वजह से, बिकॉज टेक्नोलॉजी इज ट्राइंग टू मेक यू लेजी,
Hmm.
एंड इट इज़ मोर ऑफन व्हेन वी से कि स्मार्टफोन्स आते हैं तो मेल डोमिनेटेड वर्ड आता है।
Yeah.
But it is basically where it is more about women empowerment to understand, because 80% of the products are being anyways used by women. तो
Hmm.
ये प्रोडक्ट में क्यों नहीं होता है वैसे?
तो यहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा भी लगता है that whenever there is a tech tool or app or web app launched, it is automatically targeted towards men. Marketing campaigns इस तरह से designed होते हैं mostly that they are targeting men. Why is that?
बिकॉज हमने भी ये सर्वे किया था। बिकॉज एनीवेज व्हेनेवर आपको कोई भी प्रोडक्ट अगर खरीदना है, आपके लिए इन्फ्लुएंसर कौन है? सो व्हाट आई से इन माय टेक वर्ल्ड, दैट एवरी होम हैज एन इन्फ्लुएंसर।
Hmm.
वो इन्फ्लुएंसर आपका सन हो सकता है, आपका हस्बैंड हो सकता है, आपके फादर हो सकता है, बट एनी मेल पर्सन अराउंड यू,
Hmm.
जिसको आप एक रेफरेंस के लिए पूछोगे कि मुझे कौन सा फ़ोन लेना चाहिए, मुझे कौन सा प्रोडक्ट लेना चाहिए,
Yeah.
सो दैट बिकम्स योर इन्फ्लुएंसर। वो जो इन्फ्लुएंसर है, दैट इज़ द रीज़न वी टारगेट एज अ ब्रांड। हम लोग मेल को टारगेट करते हैं रादर देन टारगेटिंग अ फीमेल,
Hmm.
स्टेटिंग दैट प्रॉब्ली जो इन्फ्लुएंस करता है उसी के डिसीजन को इन्फ्लुएंस करो।
Oh, but do you think this needs to change at a certain level?
इट हैज़ टू, बिकॉज अगर आज के दिन में सिर्फ फ़ोन छोटा कर दिया और पिंग बना दिया, दैट इज़
हाँ,
नॉट अ वुमेन सेंट्रिक फ़ोन।
exactly.
That is not what women want. Women does not want a pink phone. Women wants a powerful phone
Yeah.
जो उनको सपोर्ट कर सके उनके डे टू डे कॉल्स में, बिकॉज वुमेन आर मल्टीटास्कर्स।
Hmm.
आज मैं अगर अपना बात करूँ तो मैं सिर्फ ऑफिस में जाता हूँ एंड आई जस्ट वर्क एंड कम बैक, बट वुमेन हैव टू हैंडल किड्स, किचन्स,
Kitchen.
फैमिली एंड वर्क।
Yeah.
इट्स अ मल्टीटास्किंग थिंग, आई कैन नेवर डू इट। बट एट द सेम टाइम अगर कोई वुमेन कर रही है, एंड सो दे नीड अ बेटर टेक देन एनी मैन वुड नीड इट आइडियली। सो दे नीड अ बेटर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि उनको टेक्नोलॉजी कैसे हेल्प कर सकती है टू डू द मल्टीटास्किंग।
बट ऐसे कुछ एप्स वगैरह हैं जो मतलब डोमेस्टिक चीज़ों में भी यूज़ हो सकते हैं?
देखिए बेसिक चीज़ है, लाइक हाउ कैन अ मदर गेट देयर आफ्टरनून नैप बैक
Hmm.
rather than doom scrolling? Have yourself कि how can a mother have a afternoon nap back?
Hmm.
या तो आपको अगर समझ लीजिए पेरेंट टीचर्स मीटिंग है ऑनलाइन है,
Hmm.
हाउ कैन यू जस्ट रिकॉर्ड द मिनट्स ऑफ द मीटिंग एंड यू स्लीप फॉर दैट टाइम? कि आप वो टाइम पे आप सो जाओ और मिनट्स ऑफ द मीटिंग्स पूरी रिकॉर्ड हो रही है और वो मीटिंग्स ऑटोमेटिकली समराइज होके आपके फ़ोन पे आ रही है।
Hmm.
अगर मीटिंग समराइज होके आपकी मेल फ़ोन पे आ रही है तो देन वी डू नॉट हैव टू स्पेंड 2 hours ऑन द पेरेंट्स टीचर्स मीटिंग।
Hmm.
यू आर जस्ट टेकिंग द समरी ऑफ द मीटिंग। एटलीस्ट वो 2 घंटे आपके पास वापस आ गए, वेर यू
Hmm.
कैन टेक अ नैप और यू कैन डू वॉट एवर यू वॉन्ट टू डू।
Hmm.
बट दैट इज वॉट टेक डज, कि आपका टाइम ऐड करता है, इट ब्रिंग्स योर टाइम बैक।
डू यू थिंक दैट आज की डेट में अगर हम टेक्नोलॉजी just to teach women more about technology, if we start taking some steps today, तो next generation will be more equipped to take their own decisions regarding tech?
इवन टुडे आई थिंक women are just being lazy in not thinking about
Yeah,
it.
actually, I remember that when I'd bought a laptop recently,
Hmm.
तो आई हैड आस्क्ड माय हस्बैंड कि कौन सा लैपटॉप लेना चाहिए। उसके बाद दुकान में जाके सारे स्पेक्स मैंने ही बताए थे बिकॉज यूज़ मैं करने वाली हूँ तो रिक्वायरमेंट मुझे ही पता है। सो आई टोल्ड हिम आई वांट दिस, आई वांट दिस, आई वांट दिस, आई वांट दिस, आई डोंट वांट दिस, आई डोंट वांट दिस। एंड देन ही टोल्ड मी these are the options that you have, and it was actually ultimately my decision. But yeah, you're right, I was just being lazy कि कोई मुझे बता दे मुझे जो चाहिए वो मुझे खरीद
बिकॉज
के
यू
आ
ट्रस्ट
जाए।
सम पर्सन
हम्म।
कि उसको टेक के बारे में ज़्यादा पता होगा,
हम्म।
बिकॉज ही वॉचेज मोर टेक वीडियोस, उसके वजह से। बट आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट इज द रियल केस।
हम्म।
वुमेन इन जनरल आर जस्ट बीइंग लेजी
Yeah.
टू फिगर आउट के थिंग्स कि अगर मैं इतनी मल्टीटास्क कर रही हूँ तो ये चीज़ मैं डायरेक्टली किसी को पूछ लूँगी जो इन्फ्लुएंस कर सकता है मुझे
हम्म।
डिसीजन को।
हम्म।
सो आई डोंट थिंक सो इट इज़ मोर अबाउट men knowing more. It is about women just do not want to take that
Yeah.
initiative
Yeah.
to learn more,
Absolutely. I
right?
totally agree. And in fact, lot of times, even with the simpler things which require tech ना, कि ये इसके लिए मुझे फ़ोन उठा के कुछ सर्च करना पड़ेगा, रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा, ये मैं आउटसोर्स कर दूँ किसी और को,
Hmm.
ताकि मेरे बैंडविड्थ में ये चीज़ ना आए। इट्स नॉट लाइक आई कांट, बट इट्स जस्ट लाइक it's a conscious choice that I don't want to.
हम्म।
तो I also want to ask you कि ये जो जैसा मेरा जो thinking है इस तरह की, do you think it has to do with the mental makeup that women have, or does it have to do with hormones, or just the way we've been brought up?
I think it is more about male pushing up everything in the mind of a woman every single time,
Hmm.
stating that हमको टेक्नोलॉजी आपसे ज़्यादा पता है, हमको कार्स के बारे में आपसे ज़्यादा पता है. आई थिंक दैट इज़ व्हाट कंटिन्यूसली बीन सेड. बोला जाता है ना कि अगर 100 बार आप एक झूठ भी बोलोगे तो वो सच माना जाएगा.
हाँ.
सो अगर मैं आपको कंटिन्यूसली बोलूँगा कि मुझे आपसे ज़्यादा टेक पता है, मैं आपके सामने एक साइकोलॉजिकल रीडिंग्स भी है कि साइकियाट्रिस्ट ने बोला कि इफ़ 90 टाइम्स अ सिंगल कम्युनिकेशन इज़ बीन डन, तो दैट बिकम्स योर वर्ड
Hmm.
क्लाउड,
Yeah, correct.
राइट?
At a certain level, you start believing that this is the truth
दिस इज द
because it's
ट्रूथ.
been fed to you so many
सो
times.
मेनी टाइम्स इन मल्टीपल डिफरेंट सिनेरियोज.
Right.
अलग अलग सिनेरियोज में अगर इफ दैट comes to you again and again, then you start believing in it and के ठीक है, he knows better.
Hmm.
I don't want to think more. You tell me what exactly I have to buy. That's it.
Hmm.
It's
Hmm.
a more of a periodical thought process over a period of time where men or any of your surroundings starts pushing you around it.
Hmm. But tell me कि मुझे ऐसा भी लगता है that especially the millennials, we feel really daunted by the sudden surge of technology, और AI जब से आया है मतलब हर चीज़ बड़ी ऐसा लग रहा है बहुत everything is happening so fast that it's very difficult to catch up. But this is not the same for people who have a background in tech, like जो college में भी जिसने tech पढ़ा हुआ है या उस field को belong करता है, whether it's a man or a woman. So do you think it makes a difference if you have always, as a child or in your educative years, studied tech? It's easier for you?
No, tech, AI has made life so simpler कि आपको आज के दिन में आपको खुद को कोडिंग नहीं सीखा हुआ है तो भी आपको ज़रूरत है, बिकॉज दे कैन डू कोडिंग फॉर यू.
Yeah.
इट इज़ नथिंग एज सच कि अगर जिसने स्टार्टिंग से पढ़ा है या सीखा है या किसी ने लर्न किया है उसके हिसाब से उसको ज़्यादा टेक आता है. दैट इज़ नेवर लाइक दैट. इनफैक्ट नाउ इट इज़ मच ईजियर टू एनी बडी टू अंडरस्टैंड एंड अडेप्ट टेक. इवन माई 70-year-old मदर कैन एक्सेप्ट टेक बेटर. In fact, she would be using a WhatsApp better than me because she needs to connect with the world.
Hmm.
When she needs to connect with the world, that becomes a necessity. When it becomes a necessity, she will learn, unlearn, relearn, and she will make sure that probably she does what she has to do it.
Yeah, that's true actually. एक टाइम था जब ये चीज़ें समझ में नहीं आती थी एक नॉर्मल इंसान को. आज बिकॉज ऑफ सो मेनी वेब एप्स एंड एवरीथिंग आप वेबसाइट भी खुद डिज़ाइन कर लेते हो, आप एप्स भी खुद डिज़ाइन कर लेते हो. काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें सिंप्लीफाई हो
It's
गई हैं.
very easy. It is just a matter of time that you have to believe and come out of your comfort zone. हम सोचते हैं कि बिकॉज हुआ क्या है कि ऑल दिस क्रिएटर्स इकोनॉमी दे आर थ्रोइंग अप सो मच ऑफ कंटेंट कि वो एक फोमो क्रिएट होता है.
Hmm.
एंड दैट फोमो इज समथिंग व्हाट इज मेकिंग यू बिलीव दैट
Hmm.
कि चलो इसको तो इतना सब आता है, राइट, मुझे तो इतना भी नहीं आता है.
हाँ.
एंड दैट फोमो इज समथिंग विच इज मेकिंग लॉट ऑफ डिफिकल्ट प्रॉब्लम्स फॉर पीपल टू एक्सेप्ट कि वी आर लूजिंग आउट ऑफ अ रेस.
Hmm.
इट इज़ नथिंग एज सच. उनका भी स्क्रिप्ट किसी एआई नहीं लिखा होगा.
सही बात है.
इट इज़ मोर अबाउट हाउ यू structure over a period of time.
बट
That's
अभी
it.
मुझे बताओ, लाइक प्रैक्टिकली स्पीकिंग, I am running multiple businesses of different kinds. Okay.
Hmm.
तो मेरी अलग अलग टीम्स हैं हर चीज़ को हैंडल करने के लिए. तो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ, क्या चीज़ ऐसी डाउनलोड करूँ मैं, या किस तरह का टेक मैं यूज़ करूँ जिससे कि मेरा वर्कलोड कम हो जाए.
See, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो आपकी सर्च हिस्ट्री है,
हम्म.
वो सर्च हिस्ट्री के बेसिस के ऊपर एंड योर ऑनलाइन कंटेंट आपने अभी तक जितने भी सर्च किए होगे या आपने ऑनलाइन कंटेंट जितने भी पोस्ट किए होगे
हम्म.
जहाँ पे आप टैग अलॉन्ग होगे, वो बेसिस के ऊपर वो आपको डायरेक्टली स्क्रिप्ट बना के भी दे सकता है.
ओके.
विच कैन बी लाइक as simple as that, write me a next script for my podcast or next script for my humor
Insta
show
reel or
or whatever
something,
it is.
whatever.
They
Okay,
can
so
do it for you.
scripting is one thing.
Scripting
Okay.
can be done, editing can be done,
Okay.
right? And in fact, AI avatar can be created of yours where you do not want to show yourself, you do not want to shoot yourself. Your AI avatar can do everything for you.
Right.
So a lot of this type of things can be
But
done.
how accurate is it? Like I've been told
It is
that the
getting,
AI avatar
see,
is going to like adapt your thought process, and the more you feed it,
no,
the
yeah, more
the
you
more it's
feed
going to
it,
emulate you.
it is not about that. मैं आपको see, there are two questions into it. First of all, generative AI, पहले तो AI 1960 से है.
Okay.
हम लोग अभी सब एआई की बातें ज़्यादा इसलिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि अभी जनरेटिव एआई आ गया है।
Hmm.
व्हाट इज़ जनरेटिव एआई? इन सिंपल लैंग्वेज आप ही की सर्च हिस्ट्री के बेसिस के ऊपर आपको ऑप्टिमिस्टिक आंसर देना, दैट इज़ व्हाट इज़ जनरेटिव एआई। वो कुछ नया नहीं कर रहा है, बट ही विल ऑलवेज स्पीक पॉजिटिव अबाउट थिंग्स फ्रॉम व्हाट हैव यू सर्च्ड। आपकी जितनी भी सर्च हिस्ट्री है उसको वो अक्यूमुलेट करके आपको एक आंसर बना के देता है। So it is not your friend. It is
Hmm.
in fact just understanding you
Hmm.
more and more once you start searching more and more.
Hmm.
जितना आप गूगल करोगे, but what the drawback about it is that आप उसके ऊपर जितने डिपेंडेंट होने चालू हो जाओगे, your mind will become redundant, which means कि आपका खुद की capability of thinking
Hmm.
will be killed,
Hmm.
and that is where AI will take over you
Hmm.
and then start imposing the products what they want to sell to you.
Hmm.
So you become a product rather than they are the product.
So what is it that we can do to avoid that?
Discipline is as simple as that. What do you want to use AI for? What do you use? Why you want to use a tech for?
Hmm.
आपकी लाइफ सिंपल करने के लिए तो उतना ही यूज होना चाहिए,
Okay.
राइट? देयर इज अ लाइक as simple as that. I have a digital detox every day at my home, which means that for 2 hours nobody is going to touch the phone.
Hmm.
It may be a dinner, it may be something whatever you can say, पर एक डिजिटल डिटॉक्स होगा जो 1 घंटे या 1.5 घंटे में, स्पेसिफिकली एट द टाइम ऑफ द डिनर, nobody should touch the phone. The reason is because you should have a mindful eating.
Hmm.
What does that mindful eating mean is that probably whatever you're eating, your mind should accept it, then your body will accept it.
Hmm.
And if you are just scrolling at that point of time, it is going to just impact your health over a period of time. So that's not going to help. So you have to use it wisely and at the right time. So there are certain disciplines which are required to be done.
Hmm. So talking about discipline, this sounds like you should be an adult because you have the wisdom to understand when to stop and when to draw the line. But a lot of children are using these kind of tech tools and apps now. Nowadays तो schools में भी iPads वगैरह पे पढ़ाई की जाती है और Google search और बहुत सारे tools जो हैं वो बच्चे यूज़ करते हैं. तो उनको कहाँ पे एक लाइन ऐसे ड्रॉ करनी चाहिए एंड हाउ कैन पेरेंट्स एंड स्पेशली मदर्स because it's always the mother who's the most important person for a child in their family. How can a mother be proactive and understand and make the child understand कि भाई इतना करना है इसके आगे नहीं करना है.
Most importantly, before even you go to the child कि आप उनको आप impose करो कि ये करना है नहीं करना है. I think the problem we say the kids are always glued to the screen. Is the problem is with the family or with the parents and with the mother. They being lazy or parents being lazy, they are giving the kids a
device in
device.
hand.
So make sure that probably they can get their own time for whatever they want to do it. But I think that's one of the biggest mistakes. Second thing, what I believe is parents, when we set up a parameter in their life, why can't we set up a digital parameter of checking what's going in their life? Which means कि as simple as that, every parent should have once in a while a check on what they are searching on their browsing history.
तो वो
They will,
कैसे उनके डिवाइस पे जाके चेक करना है.
हाँ, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है कि द किड्स first room is not their bedroom, is the search history where the room entire all the data are being stored, which is extremely important for the browsing history for every mother to check the kids के mind में चल क्या रहा है, and that will help you to guide on what type of guidance you have to give to your kids. आप kids को क्या guide करोगे until unless you do not know what is going in their mind. The most important is to make sure that you have a tab on their search history.
But tell me, as a parent also, I would like to know from you and also since you're from the tech field, जब आप देखते हैं सर्च हिस्ट्री और आपको लगता है कि ये एज अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं है जो सर्च किया है मेरे बच्चे ने, हाउ डू यू हैंडल इट, हाउ डू यू लाइक टॉक टू देम.
There are a lot of apps. Uh, you said about school, you said about home. You can set up first of all digital screen time. Every
हाँ.
phone has a digital screen time, and for every app you can push up a digital screen time. Point number one.
Right.
Point number two, you can restrict certain contents if you are controlling through your Gmail ID or any of the ID.
Now see this, all this is like so technical for me.
So say for
Explain.
example, अगर आपने अपना किड्स का एक आईडी बनाया है, डोंट क्रिएट अ सेपरेट जीमेल आईडी.
Okay.
आप अपने आईडी के अंदर एक किड्स का आईडी आप बना सकते हो.
Okay.
किड्स
And
क्या
give
है,
them access from
गिव देम
that.
एक्सेस फ्रॉम दैट. तो
Okay.
आपको पूरा हिस्ट्री पता रहेगा, आपको वो क्या यूज कर रहा है सब पता रहेगा. इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू कंट्रोल देयर डिजिटल स्क्रीन थ्रू योर डिजिटल लाइफ.
हम्म,
वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली, बिकॉज आपको कंट्रोल करने के लिए या अनलॉक करने के लिए दे विल ऑलवेज हैव टू कम डाउन टू अ पासकोड, दैट मॉम गिव मी अ पासकोड सो एटलीस्ट आई कैन यूज मोर.
हम्म,
It's as simple as that. So आपको simple steps करना है. First of all, do not create a separate ID for them. Don't be
right.
lazy. Create your sub ID of a kids, which is always available in Google also or any of your phone, that you can create another ID
हम्म,
for your kids and give access through that. अगर आपने उसको एक्सेस के थ्रू दिया तो आप उसको कंट्रोल भी कर पाओगे, आप
हम्म.
देख भी पाओगे कि वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, आप उनको फ़ोन लॉक भी कर पाओगे.
Okay, you can do it from your
या
device.
यू कैन डू इट फ्रॉम योर
Okay.
डिवाइस ऑल्सो. आप उनका फ़ोन लॉक भी कर पाओगे, आप उनको ऐप के कंट्रोल्स भी कर पाओगे, आप उनकी सर्च हिस्ट्री भी कर पाओगे, आप यू कैन चेक एवरीथिंग व्हाट दे वर
Is there
डूइंग.
like a notification also which can pop
या देयर
that
ऑलवेज
this is a restricted
मल्टीपल
area your
थिंग.
child is entering?
Yeah, you can always set up a parameter, like we are launching a kids watch.
Okay.
This can also act like a pendant to them. What does that mean is that in AI plus we
Hmm.
believe that mother's peace of mind. What did I say? Tech should always be about peace of mind.
Hmm.
अगर सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न क्या है मदर्स को कि व्हेन शुड और वेयर इज माय किड,
Hmm.
अगर उसको जियो फेंसिंग पता होगी,
Hmm.
अगर जियो फेंसिंग से बाहर निकलेंगे तो मदर को अलर्ट आएगा. या अगर आपको उनको इमीडिएटली वीडियो कॉल करना है पर उनको आपको डिवाइस नहीं देना है,
Hmm.
तो आप उसको कैसे करोगे? तो आप उसको गले में अगर ये या वॉच बना के आप देते हो उसको, व्हाट हैपेंस विद दैट, एटलीस्ट यू कैन स्टे कनेक्टेड.
Right.
But whenever you want to stay connected, or
Right.
they can also give you an SOS call whenever they want to do it.
Hmm.
या तो अगर वो जियो फेंसिंग है, अगर वो पेरीमीटर से बाहर गया तो आपको इमीडिएटली नोटिफिकेशन आ जाएगा.
Hmm.
So all of this type of things, what did I say? Tech should give you peace of mind and
Right.
should give your own time. That is what tech should do,
Hmm.
not take away your time.
No, that's very very important and especially for children's safety. I think आजकल तो हम कितना सुन रहे हैं किडनैपिंग्स हो रही हैं स्कूल्स के बाहर लोग लाइन लगा के खड़े हैं किडनैप करने के लिए. I mean it's scary for a parent.
No,
It's an
even I
absolute
being a
nightmare.
parent is extremely scary. Hence, when we are designing a product, we always see the pain points of the person who is going to be
Using it,
controlling it
right?
and using it.
Right.
So this is more about security of the kids. And आज के दिन में अगर इतना security important हो गया है
Hmm.
and peace of mind important हो गया है,
Hmm.
and we want them to go out and play while we are also concerned about their security,
Hmm.
then we have to figure out how tech can help it
Hmm.
to make sure that probably it gives you a peace of mind.
Hmm.
It's as simple
So
as that.
tell me, as the founder of
AI
AI
plus.
plus smartphones, कुछ ऐसा कुछ अलग से आपने कोई ऐप उसमें इनबिल्ट किया है या some kind of service that a mother can use or for children's
Most
safety?
importantly, what I always tell, yes, we inculcate one of the things which is your data.
Hmm.
आपका डेटा कैसे वो मार्केटिंग एजेंसीज लेके मिसयूज करती है, यू शुड बी अवेयर ऑफ इट.
Hmm.
आई ऑलवेज टेल टू ऑल द यूजर्स के वंस इन अ मंथ प्लीज गो बैक टू योर सेटिंग्स
Hmm.
एंड चेक which app is collecting what type of data.
Hmm.
Very importantly, because if for the last whole month you have not used an app but still they have an access to microphones and through your camera,
Hmm.
which means that they have access to everything, whatever we are talking they are listening,
Right.
even though if you are not using it.
Hmm.
So stop giving access.
Hmm.
It's extremely
So
important to do
मतलब
all
when
of
you're
this.
downloading something, you should actually check क्या क्या
एक्चुअली
आप.
चेक व्हाट दे आर टेकिंग इट. इन इंडिया अभी तक लॉ नहीं बना है कि आप ऐप यूज़ कर सकते हो इवन इफ़ यू आर नॉट वांट टू सेंड योर पर्सनल डेटा आउट. बट इट इज़ इन द प्रोसेस कि जो DPDP एक्ट विच इज़ लाइक डेटा प्रोटेक्शन बिल जो बन रहा है, वेयर इन यूजर्स डेटा विल ऑलवेज बी चेक्ड बिफोर इट गोज आउट to
Hmm.
any of the marketers or any of the purpose,
Oh really?
right?
Okay.
So a lot of this type of things will come in the picture over the future. But at the same time, users also has to be extremely careful when they are downloading a particular app.
Hmm.
क्योंकि अगर आप ऐप डाउनलोड कर रहे हो और वो माइक्रोफोन एक्सेस ले रहा है,
हाँ.
अगर एक फूड डिलीवरी ऐप आपका माइक्रोफोन एक्सेस ले रहा है तो आपको उसकी क्या ज़रूरत है?
Hmm.
Why does a food delivery app needs a microphone access?
Hmm.
Why does a calculator need a microphone access?
Okay. Hmm.
As simple as that.
Hmm.
We should stop it.
I've often wondered, जैसे आई कम फ्रॉम द कंटेंट बैकग्राउंड, तो हम लोग जब ये कैमरास के अंदर जो चिप्स डलते हैं, कभी वो गलती से अगर डिलीट हो जाए डेटा, यू कैन ऑलवेज गिव इट टू समबडी हु कैन रिकवर द एंटायर डिलीटेड डेटा. तो स्मार्टफोन में जब हम लोग कुछ फैक्ट्री रीसेट मार देते हैं, बेच देते हैं, तब भी क्या कुछ डेटा रह जाता है जो रिकवर हो सकता है?
Easily. Until unless data is not encrypted, everything can be reset.
So factory reset can also be recovered.
Yeah,
So then how
100%.
do we safeguard ourselves when we are selling a phone?
And that's the reason it's extremely important that is your data encrypted or no. जैसे आपको अगर आपने इनकॉग्निटो मोड भी सुना होगा,
Hmm.
लॉट ऑफ पीपल थिंक कि अगर मैं कुछ सर्च कर रहा हूँ इनकॉग्निटो मोड पे,
Hmm.
वो किसी को नहीं पता चलेगा.
Yeah, isn't
वो
it
इज
like that?
एक्सेप्ट योर हस्बैंड और वाइफ, सबको पता चलेगा. Because even your app developer, everybody has access to that
What
data.
are you saying?
Yeah. And there's nothing as such which is hidden out from there, even if you are doing onto an incognito mode, right? It's
तो then क्या
only
डिफरेंस होता है फिर इनकॉग्निटो में?
it's only
सिर्फ सर्च हिस्ट्री आपकी रजिस्टर नहीं होती है
नहीं
आपके
रजिस्टर
फोन में.
होती है आपके फोन में, एंड नो नन ऑफ योर पार्टनर कैन गो थ्रू इट कि आपने क्या सर्च किया.
Oh,
दैट्स
so
इट.
it's good for people who want to cheat. That's it. No other benefit.
नो अदर प्रैक्टिकल
So like
बेनिफिट्स
हम
अराउंड
लोग
इट.
usually जो flight tickets check करते हैं, incognito check करते हैं ताकि airline doesn't come to know that we are searching for tickets and it doesn't raise the price.
So
That doesn't
इनकॉग्निटो
work.
में अगर आपने लोकेशन एक्सेस ऑलरेडी दे दिया हुआ है,
Oh.
so they will anyways know about it.
तो क्या
Right.
करना चाहिए फिर? Like what to do to delete your entire data from a device?
First of all, it is not about deleting the data. You have to make sure that your data is completely encrypted out of it.
How do you make sure?
And there are multiple processes, there are multiple steps to do it. Whenever you are erasing a data, मैंने आपको क्या बताया, अगर आप जाके किसी को बोलते हैं कि मेरा डेटा रिकवर करके दीजिए, वो डेटा रिकवर करके आपको दे सकता है. So actually there is a process of recovering a data, right?
Okay.
So ideally, technology, there is a backup for everything, which has been created on purpose to make sure that probably it was created for your convenience. कि अगर समझ लीजिए आपसे गलती से डेटा डिलीट हो जाता है, we can always help you to give you back
Okay.
what has been required. So how the use can be misused over a period of time, that is always an ethical question which has always been in the tech world. कि who will cross the line of ethics?
Correct.
Because it's all ethics. आपके लिए जो कन्वीनियंस के लिए बनाया गया है वो इनकन्वीनियंस भी हो सकता है इन द फ्यूचर इफ योर डेटा इज बीन सोल्ड टू समवन एल्स. लाइक एज सिंपल एज दैट. मैं आपको जैसे बता रहा हूँ, जैसे चाइनीज स्मार्टफोन ब्रांड्स या चाइनीज ऐप्स जो थे, बिकॉज इंडिया इज कंट्रोल बाई 80% चाइनीज स्मार्टफोन ब्रांड्स. उसमें सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्या हो जाता है कि आपके जो भी ऐप्स है वो आपके लिए वो आपका कैमरा एक्सेस ले रहे थे. और फिनटेक ऐप्स, चाइनीज फिनटेक ऐप्स जो इंडिया में बैन किए थे लेटर, अगर आपने देखा होगा कि 2-3 साल पहले 200 से 300 चाइनीज ऐप्स को
Ban हो
बैन
गए
किया
थे,
गया था.
right.
There were a lot of cases of suicide. The reason of cases of suicide were only and only because this fintech Chinese apps, उन्होंने easy loans दिए, and if the loans were not recovered, उन्होंने फोटो गैलरी से लेके वो पर्सनल फोटोज अपने दूसरे कॉन्टैक्ट्स को भेजने चालू कर दिए उन्हीं के कॉन्टैक्ट्स के अंदर से, एंड स्टार्टेड ब्लैकमेलिंग दैट इफ यू आर नॉट पेइंग इट
Oh my
तो मैं
God.
आपके कॉन्टैक्ट्स आपके या आपके पर्सनल फोटोग्राफ्स मैं पूरे ग्रुप्स में शेयर कर दूंगा. इन अ शेम, बिकॉज इट वाज लॉट ऑफ शेम फॉर द सोसाइटी. काफ़ी लोगों ने सुसाइड किया था वो टाइम पे, राइट.
Okay.
सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि हाउ मच यू वांट टू गिव एक्सेस टू व्हाट. इसलिए आपको हर ऐप कोई भी डाउनलोड करते हो, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली इज़ नॉट दैट कि iOS है कि एंड्रॉयड है कि इट इज़ सेफ. बट अगर आप कहीं से भी डाउनलोड करते हो, इफ देयर इज़ अ फॉरेन ऐप, अगर वो सारा एक्सेस आपसे ले रहा है एंड अगर आपको फ्री में कोई भी चीज़ दे रहा है, देयर इज़ नथिंग फ्री.
Yeah, man.
You have to understand one and the most important thing, what we Indians always get duped into it कि ये free है. Why would any brand will give you something for free? Why don't we question ourselves कि ये मुझे free में देके तो देगा तो उसको क्या मिलेगा?
कुछ तो benefit मिल रहा है.
What is that benefit?
Right.
I think that is what we should start asking ourselves.
See, this is why technology scares me. Because I don't understand what all goes behind an app. Walls which are created for me as a consumer, which I cannot see beyond. I don't know. Now tell me, there are a lot of apps which get offloaded on an iPhone, which are not being used. वो apps के पास भी permission रहती है?
हाँ, अगर आपने ऐप्स डाउनलोड किए, आपने यूज़ किए और आपने सारे सिर्फ ओके दबा दिया है, बिकॉज द बिगेस्ट पॉइंट विच आई सेड इज द लेजीनेस. व्हेन वी जस्ट से ओके डाउनलोड एंड ओके,
Oh God, I'm going to delete some 50 apps today.
it's extremely important because in a day-to-day's life you will not use more than 5 or 10 or 15 apps in day-to-day. 15 is also too much. अगर आपके पास 50 apps है, So they are just doing nothing on the background but collecting your data.
Once you delete the app, then everything gets deleted?
Yeah, everything gets deleted.
Thank
At
God.
least post that they will not be able to access it.
हाँ, राइट, जो है वो तो शायद रह जाएगा.
जो है तब तक होगा, but once you delete it, then they will have no access to it.
Nowadays, though, I'm going to like share this crazy experience that I think of something in my head and I'm served that ad when I open the phone.
Because you search for it. And once you search for it, that is what the data is all about. आपने अगर जनरेटिव एआई को कभी बोला होगा, आपने या तो जेमिनाई में या कोई भी आपने चैट जीपीटी पे अगर डाला होगा, आपने गूगल में डाला होगा, ये सारे सर्च हिस्ट्री का बना के आपको बेसिकली सारे एड्स फ्लो होते हैं. दिस इज व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट योर डेटा. दे डोंट नीड एनी अदर एक्सेस. आप ही उनका आपकी का खुद का डिजिटल फुटप्रिंट उनके पास सारा है कि आप क्या सोच रहे हो. अगर वो सोच रहे हो और आप सर्च कर रहे हो एंड यू सेइंग दैट आई डोंट वांट टू शेयर विद माय पार्टनर बट आई वांट टू शेयर इट विद गूगल, it is sharing it to the world but not just telling your husband. That's it.
But then tell me, then it brings back to my question that how is technology helping you? Like if I'm using a tool today for scripting, for example, I'm literally putting in my thoughts and giving commands, and I mean, I'm training that AI tool to actually know me as a person and imitate me as a person or emulate me tomorrow, and giving them so much data about what I feel. Then how do
Exactly.
I safeguard myself and at the same time not be stupid enough to not use technology at all?
100%. That is what I'm trying to say. Use the technology. Don't let technology become a slave where you should making them slave rather than they become making you slave out of it. Use it. You have to use it.
Exactly.
You
You
have to
cannot not
use it.
use it.
Right.
Right.
Now, if I want to draw up my entire social media calendar plan for the whole month, they can throw it in 2 minutes to me because दुनिया भर लोगों ने डाला ही होगा. तो सिमिलर टू माई प्रोफाइल या सिमिलर टू बेस्ट, इवन इफ आई से कि वायरल हुक क्या होगा आप बताइए मुझे. दे कैन थ्रो अप अ वायरल हुक ऑल्सो इन नेक्स्ट 2 minutes. Will it work or it won't work is a secondary thing, but I got a ready-made answer, which means कि what is AI doing is giving you predictive answers and making you say that you stop thinking, but I'll think for you. Is that right? That once you stop thinking and you start believing them, think कि क्या होगा.
Right. Your brain is actually getting
Lazier,
lazier and your critical thinking ability is
critical
just
thinking
going to the
goes down.
dogs.
Your critical thinking, your your every emotional thinking, your even EQ, IQs, everything will go down. Once your EQ and IQs or if you're rationalizing certain things goes down, when you stop questioning certain things around the world, that's where the real challenge will become for you.
I was also reading something about the fact that the current generation is using AI so much that actually those cognitive thinking abilities or this rational thinking where you actually analyze the situation and reach a conclusion, understand कि इस problem को मुझे ऐसे solve करना है, वो तो develop ही नहीं हो रही है because हर एक चीज़ का answer है उनके पास. और दूसरी चीज़ memory, because you are saving everything in an app, your brain is actually not developing the memory tool to,
Exactly.
to actually recollect things that there were 4 items on my list. क्या थे वो 4 items 1 second save किए हुए हैं. So, I mean, in the long run, let's talk about 10 years. I'm not even saying 50 years, but 10 years, 20 years later, इंसान तो फिर कुछ और ही बन जाएगा नहीं?
That is the reason. जो इसमें ये रेस में इसमें नहीं फंसेगा वो above the race रहेगा.
Right.
As simple as that.
Right.
The person whose critical thinking and ability to continue to think and question the notions around the world, they will continue to sustain and rule the world. And we all know as a tech world that there will be only few people who will be able to do it.
I'm sure I'll be one of them. I have like full confidence that I'll be one of them.
You should be, because women have a very strong and a critical thinking if they can do multitask. I think every woman can critically think around a particular situation.
Yeah.
If they can think about the safety of their child, if they can think about their family, if they can think about whatever is happening around their surroundings, I think it is important for them to understand that they should not give away their critical thinking to someone else.
I also feel that, like talking about scripting, why I don't use technology, I mean, all these chat GPT and Gemini and all that for scripting is because I feel that after a certain point, and I'm not saying 10 years, I'm saying 2 years, 1 year later, everybody's social media is going to look the same. It's going to have the same kind of feel, vibe. Your LinkedIn posts are going to sound the same. The terminology is going to become the same. And the only posts which are going to stand out are going to be the ones which did not use AI. And who are these people who are not going to be using AI at that point? Are the ones who did not let their brains die.
Exactly. Most importantly, you have to understand how this app work. They are not any social medias are not doing any social business.
Yeah.
Let's understand one thing. Social media apps are here to make money. They are not into social business of giving you something for free. They are understanding every single algorithm every single day. And that is very scary because when you make that as your day to day business, and if they are replacing you by AI avatars in the future, they are replacing, what does AI avatar mean? Why they are creating this type of more and more tools that they can have more content creators rather than having a monopoly of certain creators.
Right.
So you have to understand why do they do that?
Hmm.
That is what I'm saying, critical thinking. Why do apps are creating so much of animated avatar or AI avatars or more content creators around the world? Because what they want is very simple, that they want not to have monopoly of certain creators. They want to ensure that probably there are millions of creators. If AI avatar can speak, act, dance, sing,
That much more
then
money.
even if I do not have the skill,
Hmm.
I have my social media ready.
Absolutely. And today, like whenever I'm hiring, I read mails which are very nicely drafted, and I feel wow, very well spoken. And the minute I pick up the phone and talk, nothing. I mean, it's so disappointing,
Exactly.
right?
So
So
that
it.
is why I say the person who will continue to do critical thinking, do not stop their thinking capability. Do not give away everything to AI. Do
Right.
not give away everything to online. I think that is the person who will continue to survive in this race.
And I also want to add one more point here is that when you're searching something or telling somebody a command to give you data, for example, कि मुझे viral hook, for example, the app is only taking data from the internet, which somebody or the other, somewhere or the other, has fed somewhere, right? तो actually जो आपको मिल रहा है वो average है.
Hmm.
वो उन सबका
Exactly.
average है. तो अगर आप average ही बनना चाहते हो तो फिर
That is what I am
right, it's just
exactly
like that
saying.
uniformity of
Yeah,
everybody being the same.
exactly. So they will only do or create something which as of now somebody would have done it.
हाँ,
They'll not be able to innovate for you.
correct.
They will never be able to do something differentiating for you. They'll never be able to make you differentiated from the crowd. They'll always make you average, which you said. Like if I have no skills, but if I want to be like you, I can be like you, but I
Right.
cannot be beyond you.
Beyond you, correct,
Right?
correct.
That's
So
what
that's what I use when I use these tools. I use it to tell me what not to do. This a lot of people are doing, so I have to think beyond it.
See, US and Europe, a lot of people have started using back dumb phones. There's only reason because they want a digital detox, point number one. Secondly, they believe that this is too much overhyped and is killing away and taking away a lot of their time. Initially, they used to go for fishing, they used to go for roadside trips and everything. If social media is going to take away everything of their time, they're losing on the real life beauties, which they don't want to do it.
Exactly. And I want to ask you this question as well that ऐसे तो हम बोलते हैं सोशल मीडिया पे वी आर ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड वी आर कनेक्टेड टू ऑल आवर लव्ड वंस आवर फ्रेंड्स और यूएस में कोई बैठा है कोई कहीं बैठा है वी आर कनेक्टेड बट एक्चुअली दैट इज रिड्यूसिंग आवर ह्यूमन इंटरेक्शन एट सच अ ग्रेट लेवल सो वो जो ऑक्सीटोसिन रिलीज जो होता है वो हमारी बॉडी को मिल नहीं रहा है और इसकी वजह से देर इज लाइक दिस ह्यूज लोनलीनेस पैंडेमिक विच इज हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड.
It's very sad, and I believe one thing is a Greek emperor philosophy of free bread and circus. अगर आप Colosseum जो था, what was it for? To divert people's attention and move towards the gladiators fighting in their circus. Because जो pandemic हो रहा था सिटी में या जो भूखमरी हो रही थी सिटी में, what did the emperors do? कि if the people start fighting against the king, to divert their attention, they started giving free bread and circuses. What does that mean? That you divert your people's attention from the main agenda and move towards some agenda which is completely like entertainment for them.
Yeah.
That's what I say in real world is now the social media, because that will never give you the real sense of what's happening in the world.
True.
that will only divert your attention and is moved to likes and followers.
Hmm.
Where ideally, whoever the million of followers, the only person who's going to stand by you is your family.
Yeah.
Even if you have a million of followers, I don't think so that out of that million you will even have in reality 10 people coming and standing with you
Hmm.
during your downfall time.
Exactly. So
It's
true.
as simple as that,
Yeah.
right? So I don't think so. I believe in one thing, that your network is your net worth.
Hmm.
Your network, which is your physical network, will always be more impactful and give you a net worth of your value, of your money, of your business, and sense of achievement or oxytocin released,
Hmm.
unless you do not meet people physically,
Yeah.
right? Even it may be 10 people.
Hmm.
You do not, we are getting into a stage of FOMO, right? When I see any young guys
Hmm.
posting any video, if he is not getting enough of views, and his friend has got more views, they have that type of discussion that my video has got so much views, but it was never a discussion about how intellect the video was,
Exactly. Yeah.
what information was I trying to do.
Hmm.
I always believe that I never do any videos for entertainment, because I'm not part of entertainment industry. I'm a part of a tech industry. My job is to educate people and give the right information.
Hmm.
So even if there are 10 people watching and getting benefit out of it, is much more valuable
Hmm.
than 100 million likes
Absolutely.
while I'm dancing and doing something which is not required for me to do it. It's
Mm-hmm.
as simple as that,
Absolutely.
right?
And I also think that for somebody who is addicted to social media, and it is very addictive, today you open Instagram, पता ही नहीं चलता time कहाँ चला गया. Everything is so entertaining. I also feel that at a certain level, in a big way, actually, it's all confirmation bias. आपका जो दिमाग जो सोच रहा है, आप वही चीज़ दोबारा 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 देखते हैं. तो अगर आप डिप्रेस्ड हैं, तो आप उसी स्पाइरल में और चले जाएंगे. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि अरे आई एम टू गुड, आई एम टू कूल, तो आप उस स्पाइरल में चले जाएंगे और रियलिटी से आप कितना दूर होते चले जाते हैं.
That is where the biggest problem is. Even like say for example any social media app understands your search history कि आप क्या search कर रहे हो. It may be as simple as food, as simple as travel, and they will start showing you the travel reels. And all the people really need to understand that this travel reels, which people show that they have such a beautiful life and they keep on traveling for the whole year,
Yeah.
and they how do people get money for doing it, and there are a lot of fights happening in the family because of that.
Yeah.
That how can this couple
Yeah.
having earning lesser than us can travel for the whole year, for the whole world, to the whole world. And I think this type of FOMO is something what we have to bring ourselves into a reality check, that how much is it real,
Hmm.
right? And getting into that type of world
Hmm.
and giving access to social media to children, which is important.
Yeah.
But at the same time, we really, as a mother or as a parent, we really need to check on what type of content they are watching.
Hmm.
Because at this point of time, even pornographic is very open on social media.
Exactly.
I think it is extremely harmful when we do not have access to kids. So while I was talking about the kids, we have to be very careful that whenever we are creating any login IDs for the kids, we have to put the right age.
Mm.
Never ever do 18. Lot of mothers just put 18 and above. The reason is only because that's where you are able to create your own independent ID.
Right.
But why it is not allowed below 18 is because then you can create a sub ID from the with the mother,
Correct.
and that's when the mother can control it. So create a sub ID, which is extremely
Yeah, I think that's
important.
a very common mistake people make.
Yeah,
It's just simpler. Just
it's
create
very
another
simple.
ID, 18
Yes.
plus, and then you don't care about what happens. Now, my last question, very important question, I feel, is that आजकल लोग एआई को थेरेपी की तरह भी थेरेपिस्ट की तरह भी यूज करने लग गए हैं एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ टूल्स आल्सो व्हिच say that these are mental wellness apps and therapists you can this can guide you and etc. Do you think is it harmful in a certain way, and if yes, then how can somebody protect themselves from falling prey to something like that?
I don't think so. It is harmful.
Mm-hmm.
Technology is not harmful. It is informative. Take the information, but don't use it to the T.
But what about children? What about children who are using, let's say, ChatGPT as a friend, as a companion?
That is where the mistakes of the parents is all about, right? We have to tell them that the real friends are more important than the chat GPT as a friend. Because chat GPT will always speak positive.
हाँ, correct.
The reason is because it is how the LLM has been trained. Large language modules have been trained accordingly that they will always give you something which is a positive answer to your questions. Which means that whenever you see an answer which is coming down from ChatGPT, उसमें एक thumbs up होता है, एक thumbs down होता है. What does that mean is thumbs up when you say thumbs up to that answer, which means that you like that answer,
Right.
and they will continue to give you positivity around that particular type of answers what they have given you. If you show a thumbs down, then what they will do is next time they will not show you that type of answer, but they will rerun. There's a loop. There's a loop of all the queries which goes from the past, and they will reimagine it again and re-put it in a different way to you again. That's what they do.
Oh my God.
So there's a reason of thumbs up and thumbs down given over there. As soon as you do thumbs down, it is a reloop again from all your search history to give you the another different answer to it. So I think it is important not to blame kids. It is important to blame ourselves first as a parent, that how we educate ourselves and make sure the problem kids को हम लोग इन सब चीज़ों से कैसे दूर रख सकते हैं, right? And educate them in a right way कि how you can use them. ChatGPT is important.
Exactly.
Is extremely important. I'm not saying any AI tools are important, but for your productivity, increase your productivity, but should not stop your thinking.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for sharing all that, Madhav. I think at a certain level, probably there should be a subject of digital well-being or whatever in schools as well, so that children start learning the harm behind overusing technology or screens also at a young age, ताकि समझ में उनको better आए. But yes, till the
But
time
that
that
also, I believe that it's a problem with parents. We think that schools should educate everything.
हाँ.
It's not right that we should always think that school should educate everything, because they only spend about 4 hours or 6 hours in the school. Rest of the 18 hours they are at home. So I think teachers do their job very well.
Absolutely.
What the problem is with the parents, that they don't do their job very well. When the 18 hours of the day they are with the parents and 6 hours they are with the school. But we expect other way around, that in 6 hours they should learn everything which they cannot learn in the first 18 hours.
Thank you so much for adding that. I was just trying to say कि अगर आप एज अ स्कूल अगर आप एक टैबलेट बच्चों के हाथ में दे रहे हैं पढ़ने के लिए, तो साथ में एक छोटा सा उनको एजुकेशन ये भी देना ही चाहिए ना
They
कि
are
भाई
doing it. They are
या
definitely doing their job. I
गुड
would say that they are definitely doing job. Education systems will definitely keep on doing it. They are saying it, but it's also about how much we reiterate back at home.
Yeah, absolutely. Schools and domestic environment has to be hand in glove. You get a different environment at home, doesn't serve any purpose. And I think schools anyway are giving gadgets in the hands of a child at a little later age. Parents probably are giving it much sooner today, not understanding that the child is at a very receptive age right now, and understanding and what the child's perception is. It's very, very different. So thank you so much for this conversation. I think coming from somebody like you who is a tech insider, it makes a lot of difference, because like you rightly said, awareness is what is the most needed, and technology is something which is here to stay. It is here to grow, and it is, I would say, not very wise to not use it. You cannot just close your eyes and say that, oh, this doesn't exist for me anymore. But yeah, drawing your lines, understanding how to use it to increase your productivity is the most important thing. And also understanding where it is hampering your mental well-being, and where you need to put that gadget away and have that 2 hours of family time which is away from the world, which doesn't actually matter. ये सारी चीज़ें अगर हम ध्यान में रखें तो technology can be a very good tool.
Very good.
And I think the conversation we had today is something which is extremely important. So thank you once again for that, because technology for women, technology for children, यही future है भाई. आपको कैसा लगा ये वीडियो देखकर हमें बताइए, and please put your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. You're watching Candid Confessions with Chavi. This is Bodha signing out. Love and peace from us to you.